No, you are absolutely wrong because you are not making money each day. You are not making money per hour, but rather you are getting paid per minute. Of course, that's right. Every single minute you will receive your incomes and also your payout. It happens quickly and also it doesn't involve any social networks, no selling, no surveys, no tough technology skills. Actually, this is the easiest system for new beginners to make their initial $500 online while allowing others to do all the work for you. This possibility is available including United States, Australia, Canada, Europe, UK, India, Philippines, Indonesia or any other country worldwide. And this is 100% cost-free without any investment or credit card required. Make sure you watch till the very end, as I will show you a magic trick and a bonus method to get everything done for you. All you have to do is copy and paste to start earning money. So assure you don't skip out on that. However, before we begin, welcome to our channel. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and also don't forget to click the notification bell. So whenever we post a new video online, you will certainly be updated and you can start making things happen. Additionally, please give this video a large thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions regarding this video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. To start with, I want you to go ahead as well as go to Skillshare.com. Generally, when people come to this website, they can look for various internet workshops, video trainings and various courses to learn more about something or discover a new skill. Let's take as an example, when you click this browse button ahead, people can come below to learn something. For example, animation to learn about graphic design or maybe even discover music or photography. There are many different classes that people can join and watch various videos on this platform. Now you could be wondering exactly how we supposed to generate income from this website, and no worries, that's exactly what we are going to talk about following. Currently, when you go on to the web page of this website, I desire you to scroll down to the extreme bottom. You can see under the teaching section. You will see become a teacher and I want to click on this, and after that you are going to come onto this page where you can sign up for a free account as well as end up being a teacher and begin posting videos on this website. No, don't worry, you don't need to create any videos. You don't need to require to be before the camera because I will show you a unique technique on exactly how to get pre-made and also done for your videos to upload right now. So this is going to be a lot easier than you think. As well as I will reveal to you what step by step exactly on this video to make sure that you can start generating income beginning today for absolutely free without any investment. Firstly, this is exactly how teaching works on Skillshare.com. You need to create your first class and after that you need to post videos on this website. And whenever people join and watch the video, you can begin earning money on this website and they are going to pay you every minute. Of course, you heard it right. When people watch your videos, watch your classes, you can earn money every single minute. Also, there are many people who are making tens of thousands of dollars a year on this website by just uploading videos. When you check out this section, you can generate income on Skillshare through monthly royalties based on the number of minutes people watch your videos. Plus, a reference bonus offer. I want you to keep watching this video because I will show you a unique bonus method to make even more money by getting references on this website. Income stream number 1, you can simply upload videos to earn money per minute on this website 24 hours a day and 7 days a week without any limits. Income stream number 2, you can get the juicy commissions and reference bonus offer on complete autopilot utilizing my technique. So right now, all you need to do is go ahead and click on this green button right here. You can see start a class, as well as you are going to come onto this web page. You can see where you can post videos on Skillshare.com to ensure that when people watch your videos, you can earn money online. When you click this upload video button, you can upload a video on this website. Also, don't worry, because in just a moment I will show you where to get free videos. So you can merely copy and also paste and re-upload on this website so that you can start generating income right now. So ensure you keep watching. Right now I will show you a couple of real life demos. Now when I click this browse button, you are going to come onto this graphic design page. There are over 1 million followers. Things I like concerning Skillshare is because all you have to do is upload the videos. Also, millions of people and visitors come by to Skillshare every day to search for videos and classes to watch and learn more about something and find out about a new skill. You can tap into this go-by possibility and can be the one to generate income online by leveraging this unique system. For example, this video playlist. As you can see below, there are many videos on simply one single playlist. Each of them is almost 1 minute and all of them are really simple and also extremely short videos. So you can upload it on Skillshare.com. Every single time people click play and watch your videos, as well as you can earn money. As simple as that. This is an excellent possibility for you to gain passive income because once you copy and paste the video on here, there are people from all over the world. They are going to find your videos on Skillshare organically. Without you advertising those videos, let Skillshare do all the effort and promotion for you to bring the people onto their website to find and watch your videos and make you cash. Even while you are sleeping, you are traveling and you are working or something else. The passive income is still rolling like clockwork. How makes that noise to you? Well, isn't it outstanding? As you can see right here, there are a lot of people actively 24/7 watching videos on this playlist. So we are most likely to do the same thing and begin generating income on Skillshare. The following thing that I desire you to do is to proceed to renderforest.com. As you can see right here, this is the website that we are going to get videos for absolutely free. To ensure that we can post on Skillshare.com, this is a highly trusted company. You can begin below to create logos, videos and also mock-ups websites. You can develop many things, but we intend to make videos. So you have to go on top of this toolbar right here, as well as click this create videos, and you are going to develop this web page video template that fits your needs. I love Render Forest a lot because you can get a great deal of this video template for absolutely free, and there are so many options and choices you can choose from. As you can see here, they are all professional and also done for you. You can click on a couple of buttons and also you can get all of these videos with no investment. And again, you can do every little thing on your smartphone or do this on your computer system. Now, I want to give you my own choices. This is my recommendation for you to select from this Whiteboard animation toolkit. This is so well known since there are many people that like whiteboard learning and it is appropriate to be posted on Skillshare.com as a training course. So all you need to do is click this right here. And after that, you are going to come near this page which is Whiteboard Animation Toolkits. There are a lot of people who are utilizing it and they love it. It earns more than 4.45 stars out of 5 stars really fast. It's a whiteboard template, a tutorial video that educates people on a new skill set. They are specialists and also you can make use of all this done for your template. When you scroll down listed below, you can see the different videos produced by other people utilizing this template by simply clicking on a few buttons. I am going to reveal you right now with no technical ability or experience. Now all you have to do is go and click on this create now. Then you are going to come up to this page where you can create a new video. There are 3 alternatives right here that you can pick from. Just go as well as click this create button. You can see there are several ready-made stories, lots of done for you templates and also tutorial videos that you can get everything done for you on this website. For example, web development, cloud databases, social media. There are numerous training videos that you can get for absolutely free. And also you can utilize them on Skillshare.com. By doing that, you can begin making a great deal of money online. Like what these people are doing. People are just making constant passive income each month in and month out. As an example, you wish to do one video around on the internet education platform promotion. All you need to do is go and click on this video and then they will show you a preview regarding this video template. So all you have to do is to watch the video. You can go and click on this blue button, use this prepared story, and after that they will turn up a brand new web page where you can edit something on this video. But once more, everything is done for you. Generally on this website, all the storylines, all the timelines are done for you. You can change the text, change the phrasing on this web page or personalize anything if you want to. For example, you can click this add text to change the tags you want. You can change whatever text you desire, and once you click this, they are most likely to change on the video itself. So it's extremely easy for you to change the tags right here. Once again, everything is done for you. You don't have to change many things, and when you complete changing and playing with the text of each video right here, you can go and click on the style and proceed to the second step right here. You can choose a board drawn or cut paper style. Both of these styles are pretty good. Yet directly I will select a board drawn. I will click this design right here as well as I go on and click the third step which I need to choose on the colors. This is all customized color right now. I can select whatever color that I want. I can proceed and also click confirm, and also I will change the color to blue. However, it's simply extremely basic where every little thing is just clicking a couple of buttons pretty much. Once you have ended up choosing your colors, you can go on to step number 4 where you can choose music. Once more, this is all done for you. They have selected the corporate inspiration music right here. You can use that. You can discover hundreds and hundreds for different musics that you can use in various categories. As an example, rock music, cinematic, as you can choose whatever you want. Click on the preview, which is the final step. You don't have to pay a single cent on this website. It's 100% free, and you can get this video download on Render Forest, as well as you can repeat the same technique on various templates, various videos, also utilizing different storylines and making other tutorial videos. You can upload them on Skillshare.com, and that permits you to generate income. Each time people click play and watch videos on Skillshare, this is a great passive income approach for people of worldwide. That's it. Before we go, ensure to subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell. Hit the like button, and also I will see you in the following videos.